Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters, no doubt the ulama of al-Islam, they were individuals of great wisdom. And Imam Abu Hanifa rahimahullah, the foremost from amongst them. Once there were a group of females who came to him and they say that, "Oh Imam, why is it permissible for a man to have 4 wives but not permissible for a female to have 4 husbands?" Imam Abu Hanifa, he says to these 4 women, I just need one favor from you people first before I answer your question. What favor do you need from us? He brought a bowl and he says that I require a little bit of breast milk from each one of you. There's the next door room. Please just get me a little bit of breast milk from each one of you into this container. They said, what does this? I just need this please for something and then I will give you your answer. So they went along and they brought it. Remember, this was obviously before the time of DNA testing, etc., etc. Imam Abu Hanifa then says to them that, are you people able to separate the milk of this woman from the milk of this woman from the milk of Sumayya and Salihah? They said, absolutely not, we are unable to do that. So Imam Abu Hanifa then says to them that how would it ever be possible to ascertain who the father of the kid would be if the female has 4 husbands? Thus they understood, walhamdulillah. Brothers and sisters, another time Imam Abu Hanifa on a journey and he was extremely thirsty, and there was this man there who had some water, but he was shifty, he was crafty. Imam Abu Hanifa goes to him and says, can I have some water? He says, no, I will sell it to you. Okay, what's the price? He came with this exorbitant amount of money. He says, if you want the water, you are very thirsty, there's no water in this area, this is the price you have to pay. Imam Abu Hanifa thinking, pondering, what should I do? I'm really thirsty. Eventually, he had to buy it and he purchased this water and then he drank, satisfied himself, alhamdulillah. Then he had some food, he had some olives, he had some dry bread, and so he calls this man and he says, come join me for the meal. And so the man comes, ahlan wa sahlan, no problem, jazakallah khair. He sits and he begins eating. And then he gets thirsty after eating that dry bread and those olives. And so then he says, can I have some water? Imam Abu Hanifa says, water? You want water? No problem, here's the water. But this is the price for the water. The exact same price that you charged me, I will charge you. And so the man is thirsty, especially with eating the dry bread, it's stuck in his throat. He had to buy it from Imam Abu Hanifa and he purchased it and then he satisfied himself. Imam Abu Hanifa rahimahullah left that area. He had satisfied himself with the drink. He had his nice meal and the same amount of money that he spent on the water, he got it back. Walhamdulillah.